Hi and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So today I have some contact lenses to try out from a company called MISLENS. These contacts were very kindly sent to me. This video is sponsored, but as always, all opinions are totally honest and my own. So MISLENS sent me 5 pairs of contacts. I think it's 5. Yeah, 5 pairs of contacts to try. And yeah, I've got a few different shades to try out for you. I kind of chose a selection of shades just so that you can see the difference and how they compare to my natural eye colour. I've got contacts in at the moment, but I'll remove those in a minute. So my natural eyes are blue. So yeah, we're going to see how these look on my natural blue eyes. So MISLENS are a company that specialise in coloured contact lenses. They do a huge selection to try. I had a really tough time choosing actually. They had all different colours, they have different variations of the colours. They've got different styles in different colours, really beautiful looking lenses. So yeah, as I say, I've got 5 to try out. I can't remember what colours I got, but I'm pretty sure that I got a kind of a good selection. They come in this really cute little packaging. I really love this design. I think it's really, really cute. And then if you turn it around, you can actually see a little glimpse of what the lens looks like there as well. So I got mine prescription free, but you can choose to have them in your prescription strength if you wish to as well. I also got some cute little cases to put them in as well. I find these really handy actually. What I do, because they're all the same colour, what I do is I actually get a little marker and I just mark on them what colour they are, just so that, you know, if I'm filtering through and, you know, I want to choose what colour to wear that day, then, you know, it's easy for me to see. So yeah, that's all I do. Just put on with a little marker pen what colour they are. Okay, so I'm going to jump straight in now and show you how they look on my eyes. I'll show you one with my natural eye colour, and then I'll show you them both together as well. Okay, so this is my natural eye colour. So as you can see, I do have they're kind of a deep blue, which I like. But I like to change it up every now and then as well, just to kind of go with my makeup looks, things like that. So the first pair that I'm going to be trying on they're all the same packaging. So they all come in this packaging that I showed you, are called Adoration, which are kind of like a peachy colour. So this is how they look in the packaging just here. So you can see the lens in there, and it comes in saline solution. So, you know, if you don't have any saline straight up, then you do have a little bit here that you can kind of dispense into the little containers, and you can use that for a few days if you need to. But I do recommend purchasing, you know, a big bottle of saline solution so that you can, you know, change it as and when you need to. But yeah, again, it has the packaging that's the same as the outer packaging on the box there. So I'm going to take it out of the little blister packaging and we will try these ones on. So this is what the lens looks like close up. So as you can see, it kind of looks a bit of an orangey peachy shade. But yeah, sometimes they look completely different when they're on the eye. So yeah, we will see. Right, okay, so here's what the Adoration ones are like. So this is obviously the eye that I've got the contact in. This is the eye that I haven't. So this is my natural colour. Yeah, these are actually really nice. I think when they're in, they look more hazel. I can't remember on the website what colour they're supposed to look like, if I'm honest. What I'll do is I'll try and find them and I'll pop a little screenshot on the video when I do it. But yeah, they're really nice. They're really nice. They're very, very comfortable, very easy to put in as well. But yeah, so that's what they're like, you know, compared to my natural colour. And then I'll pop the other one in as well. Okay, so this is what they're like with both of them in. So yeah, as I say, I feel like they're a little bit more hazily. But yeah, I think they're actually really nice. I really like them. So the next ones that I'm going to be trying are called Flirting, and these ones are a blue shade. So here's a close-up of what these ones look like. Yeah, they look a really nice shade of blue actually. So I'm going to pop these ones in. Okay, so here's what the Flirting shade is like compared to my natural blue colour, and as you can see, it really pops. It's a really lovely blue, very, very nice. I really, really like this actually. I think it's really nice. So I'll pop the other one in as well so you can see them together. And then here's the two lenses in together. So yeah, I really, really like these. I think they're a beautiful shade of blue. They're really pretty. They're not too bright. They're quite kind of natural, I feel. But yeah, very, very nice. Really like these ones. And then next up, I have the shade called Joy, which is like a really nice kind of green, almost like an aqua green colour. So here's a close-up of what these ones look like. So yeah, really pretty actually. It looks like a really pretty shade of green. So here's what the Joy colour looks like compared to my natural eye colour. It's quite a bright green actually, but I do still like it. I think it's quite pretty. So yeah, I think it's really nice. I think it's a beautiful, beautiful colour of green. It's not very natural, I'll give you that, but I do still really like it. I think it's pretty. And then here is what both the lenses together look like. So yeah, as I say, not the most natural of greens, but I do still really love it. I think it's a really beautiful kind of like aqua green shade. Really pretty. I can imagine this would look nice with some really good makeup looks actually. So yeah, love these. So these are the next ones that I have to try. These are called Triumph. They look really dark. They're almost black. So yeah, it'd be quite interesting to see what these look like on. But yeah, we will see. So here's what they look like compared to my natural eye colour. Extremely different to my natural colour. To be honest, when I first put them in, I was like, oh, I'm not sure about these. But I think when the other one goes in, I actually quite like them. I think these are actually really nice. They're just very, very different to my natural colour. Let me pop the other one in and then I'll show you them together. So this is both of them together, and yeah, although they are extremely different to my natural eye colour, and again, they're not very natural, I do still really like them. I feel like a really cool kind of like anime character. But yeah, I think they're really pretty. I love them. I think they're nice. So the last pair that I have to try are another blue shade, but they're a bit different to the first ones that I tried. So it's these ones here, and these are called Royalty. So we've got kind of like a bit of a brownie shade in the centre, and then they splay out into this really stunning like sea blue colour, which I think is absolutely beautiful. So here's what the Royalty shade looks like compared to my natural colour. Yeah, they're very similar actually to the last ones that I tried, you know, the really dark ones. So I think they might be from the same kind of range. But yeah, very, very pretty. I do like these. I have to say, I do really like them. I love the blue shade. I think it's so pretty. So I'll pop the other one in. So here's what they look together, and yeah, I actually really like them. Again, I think for like editorial looks, for makeup looks on Instagram, things like that, these are going to be absolutely brilliant. I love the shade of blue that they are. I think they're really, really pretty. So there we go, there's all the lenses tried on, and as I said before, I did try and go for a wide selection of shades for you, and I feel like I did achieve that actually. But yeah, I know there was two blue, but they were completely different. I've actually kept the Royalty ones in because I really, really like these. I think they're really cool. So yeah, with regards to the actual lenses themselves, obviously, you know, colour aside and everything, they're actually really lovely. They're really nice and flexible, really easy to put in. Yeah, they kind of, I felt like the bowl sort of them, they're like a bowl shape. Was more curved than some of the others that I've tried, and it made them kind of like just go straight into where they needed to go. I didn't have to like look around or anything too much. They just kind of went exactly where I wanted them to. So yeah, that was really, really good actually. Definitely recommend them. You know, as a brand, I think they're really nice lenses. So as always, all products shown in today's video, I will link in the description box below for you, along with any discount codes or anything like that. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed watching. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!
I'm thinking you want made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby.